Hey, my YouTube fans. This is LA Casciato, hashtag The Adventures Awaits. Just got back from picking up my son. Had to take my teeth out, they were bothering me today. But anyway, the joys of living out in Loxahatchee, Florida. On my way in, I saw this handsome fella on the other side of my canal. Let me stop for a minute because he's moving. I do not know. I'll see if I can zoom in. I can zoom in. Yay. I do not know what type of bird he is. What species. But I thought he was kind of handsome looking. So I figured I would share with you all. I believe the reason why he's hanging around, my canal is low, but I believe the reason why he's hanging around is sometimes, even with this amount of water, there is fish in this canal. So that might be why he is visiting. Hi, fella. Next time you're here, I'll see if I can get my grandkids to give you a name, big guy. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So, he's a handsome guy. Anyway, like I said, just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know if there's any other adventures or surprises you want me to try to post. Peace out. Oh guys, I forgot to show you. My daughter didn't, or my son, or I should say, did not move the Punisher on the back of my car yet. Maybe she forgot. I don't know. But the last time she had moved it, she had put it, I kid you not, in the center of my roof there. So, should be interesting on when she's going to notice it. Also, if anybody wants decals for their car or whatever, my daughter makes these. It's the misfitsfamily@gmail.com, or those of you on my Facebook page or know my private number, hit me up and I'll connect you with her. But like I said, she made these for me. She even made my logo, and she made that one, and that one for me. And she made this little guy, and that one, and there's one on the other side, and on the other side. And then she put, I know I gotta give my car a bath. And then she put the imposter dude over there. And then they've also created this one for me. So life is sweet. Oh, let me show you the funny one my son-in-law made. There's another one she made. My son-in-law made that one for me. I had one on my previous car. I had a Ford Flex, but it got totaled out on a accident I was in. So, hey.